What's up, ladies? My name is Rosie, and I make content to build women over 40 confidence so that they can wear what the hell they want to wear. Today's topic is unveiling my Desert Hills and Woodbury common finds. Now, before we dive in, I am going to ask that you sign up for my newsletter. In my newsletter, you will find exclusive content and also all of my wardrobe details. If you are interested, the link is below in the description box. Let's do this. Now, in my previous unveiling of my Woodbury common finds, I mentioned that I now have sales associates that I can call upon when I am interested in a particular item. And so I was obsessing over something. And I was obsessing over two shoes, right? And I end up calling them for the two shoes that I'm going to show you first. But, before I continue, my son is so funny. He came home from college and he's just roaming about the house as he normally does. He come back downstairs and he was just like, why is it 9 Ferragamo boxes in front of my room? And he was just like, are you sponsored by them? If not, you have a problem. I just was like, boy, mind your business. And when are you going back? I don't need him coming back from college all in my business. Mind his business. But in all fairness, like I said, I was trying to locate two shoes that I was just obsessed about. And so one thing led to another. I found the two shoes. And then something said, ask him, could he take pictures of the shoe salon and see what other things they may have? Now that is what got me in trouble, right? Asking him to send me pics of everything else in the shoe salon. But anyway, he did, and that's how I ended up with these 9 pair, as my son said, my son said before in this video. So let's get to it. The first Ferragamo. Now these, you have seen these before, right? You have seen them before because I actually have them in yellow, black, and red. And it's so sad. But I just love this wedge heel. And it's so comfortable, and I love color. So when I saw these, like I said, first I saw them in yellow. I think that was the first one I got, or blue. I don't know. Anyway, look at the previous video. But anyway, I had to have them in red. So I initially went on a hunt to just find these, right? Because I was like, I had to have it in red. Like I said, found them, and so happy that I did. I can't wait to rock them again. Have these in all the colors, and I'm not mad. I am not mad that I have them in all the colors. So again, I was so happy that I was able to find these. Ferragamo number 2 are these beauties. Again, you have seen these before because I also have them in a neutral color. So I saw these in blue and I just was like, I love them. I just love them. Of course, as I said before, I love the bow detail that is sticking up. I'm always going to wear them like this. But when I saw that they had them in blue, I was just like, I had to have them. So I just can't wait to style these up because they are just fantastic. Next up is the same one. The same shoe in black, okay? Again, I told you guys that I am revamping my shoe collection and I need black heels. I have think only like one pair, and that one has gold details, and I like this one because it has the silver buckle details. Again, the love, the bow. But yeah, I am filling in gaps that I have in my wardrobe, and I needed a pair of black. So I am definitely happy that I found another pair that, again, I can wear with, you know, silver accessories. So happy with that. And again, loving this heel detail that it has. It is so comfortable than the regular skinny heel. As I said in the previous video, it really works, because I had given up on the skinny heel. But again, the positioning of this heel has definitely made a difference in how I look at skinny heels again. So I'm definitely looking for all types of heels that, you know, has that movement of the heel to about, you know, mid, you know, back of the heel. That really helps a lot. Next up are these. Now, what attracted me to these was this. It reminded me of the vintage Gucci sandals that were out so long ago. And when I saw this, even though, you know, a lot of the other shoes that I got, I already had tried them on, but this one I just had never tried them on before, so I was just like, oh my God, I hope that they fit. But I knew that they probably would definitely fit, because I know my, you know, sizing for them since I bought so many pairs. But, you know, you just sometimes when you buy them, again, via video or pictures, you're not sure how they're going to definitely look on your feet. So I was pleasantly surprised about these. I'm not sure if I would have bought them if I was in the store, but again, it's final sale. They're not ugly, but you know, I'm like, okay, I can deal with it. Again, it was final sale, so I have to, you know, wear them, but they are comfortable. They are super comfortable. And I was just like, oh my God. Like, again, the curved heel is just what's doing it. This one is not positioned a little bit going towards the front of the shoe. This one is back where it's normally supposed to be, but it's the curved heel. When I tell you very comfortable, I am going to get a lot of wear out of these, right? Because they are comfortable. Again, I have not worn them in the streets just yet, but in walking around my house, comfortable. So I'm looking forward to, you know, breaking these in and, you know, wearing these and just my feet saying thank you for purchasing them. Now these. Originally in the picture when I got these pumps, when he was showing me, he said, you know, that they were white. And so I was just like, oh, cool. You know, I need a white pair of pumps. But when I got them, they are not white. They're like off-white. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's not white. It's like a off-white. And it's really kind of like a light, not even off-white. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's lighter than like off-white. I want to say like I don't know. It's like a mixture of a really like grayish off-white type. I don't know how to. But I was like, oh my God, I could wear these with my cargo pants, you know, my camo cargo pants. These will go well with that. That's the first immediate thing that came to my mind with this. But of course I can style them with other things, but I was just like, oh, I can definitely do that with this. But anyway, love this color overall, even though it's not white. But I just can pair this with so many things in my wardrobe and can't wait to, you know, style them, because pumps, pointy toe pumps is something that you can have in your wardrobe forever. Like, I don't care what people say the trend is, in style, out of style, pumps, pointy toe pumps will always be in style for me. They will always be in my wardrobe because I like the look of them coming out of my pants, you know, when you wear slacks. And you know, it just gives it such a sophisticated look. And so pumps, you could just never go wrong. And I'm so happy now that I'm getting comfortable ones, because now I can continue with, you know, wearing them with items in my closet that I love, and I don't have to sacrifice because of, you know, skinny heel pumps or different things like that that are not comfortable. So super excited about some pumps, and you will see some more coming up. Next up is slingback, this black slingback. And if you would have saw the other video, you would see that I had these in a pink color. I wanted the black because, again, when I thought about it, I was just like, I shouldn't have got these. But then I was just like, wait a minute. I also have the black pumps, kind of like a velvet type of material, right? So these are more of a satin material. And so I'm like, okay, after I thought about it, I was like, I'm glad I bought these, because of course the other pair that I got, which are not slingbacks, they're actually pumps, they only could be actually worn in the winter, right? But these I can actually wear all year round. So I was just like, wait a minute, I'm so happy that I got them. I thought I had, you know, did way too much. But again, two separate different type of materials that I can wear in different seasons. So I was like, oh, okay, you know, I did not do too much. I could definitely, you know, wear these, like I said, all year round because it's satin material. And then the other ones that I have that are very, you know, similar, but again, those could only be worn in the winter. So another thing, I don't have a lot of slingbacks. Like, this is where I feel like I am in my grown woman era, because before I just wasn't feeling slingbacks in my younger days. I don't know why. I just thought that they were for older women. But I am older now. But it's just, I don't know. I guess it's now the design and the look and feel of them that I feel like, oh my God, like I could wear these. I could see myself wearing these. And when I was younger, I just couldn't envision myself wearing them. But I really love these. And I can't wait to wear these and style them up. I want to give a shout out to Jason from the Desert Hills store. He is the store manager. That is the store I originally called. When I tell you great customer service, in the title I said Desert Hills and Woodbury Common. Now the first 6 pair I got from Desert Hills. They had my size in the shoes that I wanted, but he gave great customer service, as I said, and located the other 3 pair of shoes that he didn't have my size in at Woodbury Commons. I mean, handled everything as far as calling them, well, locating the shoe, then calling them, making sure that they really had them, then also sending me the pay link to pay. I mean, just went above and beyond. And that is the type of customer service that you definitely want to call out, and that you definitely want to receive when you are dealing with a high-end brand. And it was just such a pleasure. So shout out to Jason again. So these last 3 were purchased from Woodbury Commons. So let's get into them. So these red pumps, look at them. As I said before, I'm just loving pumps. I've always liked pointed toe pumps because I love the way that they protrude out of my pants, like my longer pants, slacks, jeans, cargo pants, anything, you know, that is extremely long. I just like the way that the pointy toe just appears and peeks out. And so I needed to up my shoe game with red. I've never had a red. Yes, I did. I have a pair of round toe red pumps, but I don't have a pair of pointy toe. So I definitely wanted to get a pointy toe pair so I can wear with things in my closet. So these will not disappoint. These mirrored silver pumps. I am just loving this, right? I have a mirror silver pair of boots, knee-high boots. Now I have, some pumps. So I definitely feel like I am all set to, really rock this. And plus I have a purse that I can wear with all of them. So I'm just excited about these. Again, they are going to be comfortable. I can wear several things with this that I'm already thinking about in my head already. And yeah, these are going to be comfortable. So excited about wearing these. Last but not least will be these. Like snakeskin printed pumps, right? With these, again, this could be a workhorse, right? It's going to be a workhorse in my wardrobe because they are black. You could just wear them with so many things in my closet. So I'm just excited about, continuing my pump journey and just wearing these. And again, these will not disappoint. And like I said, I just like the various textures that you have with the pumps. I have a black pair that is not textured. So these are great to, have different things to wear with other things, and you're not running one in the ground because you're wearing them all the time because that's the only ones you have. So love these. Again, will be a workhorse in my wardrobe. But to sum it up, I really have to stay away, right? I have to stay away. Now that I have these sales associates at my fingertips, this can really become an issue. But as I said before, I am revamping my shoe collection. So it's not like I'm just going crazy. I really have a gap in my shoe game and I'm trying to really fill it. And, you have to do it by, locating shoes that you love. And these will be in my wardrobe for years to come. So I'm super, proud of myself because these are the pros, right? Number one, I am not paying original price, right? Number two, these are being purchased at a discount because I am buying them from the outlet. And number three, I got an additional 20% off because they were having that again, right? It was back. They had 20% off. So all in all, I feel great because I am shopping smart, right? And that's all you can do because again, I always say I work hard for my money. So those were the things that I kind of was obsessing over. Those first two, that red wedge and that blue shoe that I was obsessed over. And then I end up getting all the other pairs. Tell me in the comments what you are obsessing over at this time. And I want to know because I just want to know that other people are out here obsessing over things as well and getting some of the things that they want. So let me know in the comments what you are currently obsessing over. I can't be the only person obsessing over stuff. So let me know in the comments because I want to hear. If you are a woman over 40 who is struggling with fashion insecurities such as not wanting to stand out, second guessing your outfit choices, having a negative, toxic inner voice, and you want to gain the confidence to wear what the hell you want to wear, DM me over on IG and I will be happy to assist. Well, that's all I have for this video. As I always leave you, I want you to buy less, choose well, repeat often, and make it last. Until next time, bye-bye.